in this video, we are going to ask a question which says that a stone is thrown vertically upwards with a speed of 20 meters per second from a point at a height h from the ground. Now the question is that if the stone hits the ground 5 seconds later, calculate the velocity with which the stone hits the ground. Now how do we calculate velocity? We know that the easiest equation that calculates velocity, that is the first equation of motion. But we know for motion under gravity, in fact, we say for upward motion, since we are talking that the stone, in terms of the stone going upward, V is equal to U minus GT. So this V of ours is equal to our V. And now remember, we said for motion, for upward motion, this V is negative. So U in the question, the initial velocity was given as 20 minus 9.8 times time, which was 5 seconds. So V, the value of V here is, the compute here is 20 minus 9.81. So our V is 29.05 seconds. That is the velocity with which the stone hits the ground. So the next question was that we should find the value of h. So how do we calculate the value of h? We have a series of ways of how we can calculate h. Now this is for upward motion. H is equal to ut minus a half gt squared. Therefore, this h of ours is also negative for upward motion. This is 20 times 5. 20 times 5 minus 4.905 times 5. Therefore, from this we can get the value of h. Computing the value of h, so this is 100 minus bracket 4.905 times 5. This times this, we get 100 since 5 is squared. So 100 minus 4.905 times 5 squared, we get a value of h as 22.63 meters. This is our value of h. And of course, we also have the third equation of motion, which also has h, or the displacement. So we can say alternatively v squared is equal to u squared plus 2 times negative g times negative h. Now this v is also negative, but our v was found to be 29.5 squared from here, which is equal to u squared, that was 20, plus 2 times 9.81 h. Therefore, 29.05 squared minus 20 squared divided by 2 times 9.81. Press. Let's press together. This is 29.05 squared, which gives me this value minus 20 squared also gives me that value divided by 2 times 9.81. Okay, so it gives me the value of h to be the same as above, which is 22.63 meters. So please, when we are required to calculate anything that is related to what we have seen in this is the knowledge that when you're applying the equations of motion, you should mind the signs on the terms in that equation, whether it is positive or negative. Failure to do so to lead to your work being wrong. Thank you.